I want to share the 4 principles to make sure happiness. Hello happiest people, I am Pradishagar Purno in front of you. You call me Purno. Today I talk about a serious topic and a very important topic, how to be happy. If we think about how to make sure our happiness, always think about our outself. But every people in the world think about happiness is come from material things. Not only happiness is come from inside, but it is wrong. I disagree about that because happiness it is a kind of inside thing, not outside thing. Every time we are think we are get these things and that's why we are happy. Not just real, but it is makes our temporary happiness, not our permanent happiness. If we are make sure of permanent happiness in future, in present life, we are make sure our inner self and make sure our inner self and help to try better in our mind. So I want to share the 4 principles to make sure happiness. So first of all, I say. First of all, I share about one thing. There always people forget about that, positive talking about yourself. Because we are thinking about positive talking, what makes the difference positive talking gives us. But positivity gives us a bigger difference. I think, but every time you talking positively about yourself, it creates your mind, creates your mind positively. And if you create your mind positive thinking every time, you just make sure happiness in future. Then the second point I will share this gratitude. Gratitude means we always say our friends thank you, assalamu alaikum, anything. That means gratitude. That is and always gratitude our family, always gratitude our peoples or helping person. It is kind of just give our soul in our someone else to make sure our fulfill happiness. And we are also try to make sure our prayer it is also make sure our happiness. Then the third point is always take a time for your family, because you will have get anything in the future, but if you forget about your family, you don't become a happiest person. Because if we are talking about if we are talking our family, our parents, our children's, it gives us happiness, gives us big happy. So I think it is so much important for us. And then the last and the final point is don't compare ourselves, because comparison is not it is always our kill our happiness. Suppose that you are a student in class 10, you think about you got a plus, you got B in physics, your friend got A plus in physics. You always thinking why I am got this, why my friend got this. So it is a kind of comparison. Comparison always gives you a pressure, not gives the real happiness. So that's the 4 principles I think to make sure happiness in future. And always think about happiness not our outside thing, it always inside thing. Because material things gives us not the biggest happiness in our life. Materials gives the temporary happiness, not the permanent happiness. So I think that is all over today. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for listening me patiently.